Hi everybody, welcome back, or hi if you're new. My name is Feb and today we're looking at the new Supernova palette from Kryptein Cosmetics. I've been a big fan of theirs ever since they came out with their Burnt Forest palette, which has got to be at least 2.5 years ago, something like that. So here it is in its shiny packaging. They do love to do this faux leather, so let's get down and have a closer look. Okay, so first of all we have the satisfying peeling off of the outer cover. All their palettes have come with this faux leather. This green and blue, check it out, that is so gorgeous. Oh my god, look at all those colours. Okay, well anyway, that's the outside packaging. Inside we've got a mirror. Here are all the little protectors covering the shinies, so I'll get rid of those and then we'll start swatching. Okay, so my first impression of this is that it was going to be a cool tone palette, but it's not really. I mean, this section, those 6 shades, positively warm and lovely, and I just can't buy any more cool tone palettes. I've got a ridiculous amount right now. Okay, let's start swatching this, but before we do, just to let you know that they sent a little freebie with the package. There we go, and they've sent a tiny little baby one, which also... love that. Inside there are 4 little holes for you to put your own shadows in, plus a mirror. So how cool is that? Thank you, Kryptein. What a lovely thing to do. Okay, are these actually magnetic? Let's have a look. No, they're not. So you can put your singles in there, and I've got quite a few Kryptein singles. So yeah, I'll be making use of this. Okay, let's start with the mattes with this. They don't have any names on, which is fine by me. This beautiful pale cream colour, almost the colour of my skin. And then the purple, wow. Okay, that is deep and lovely. The mustard, beautiful. And then this green. Oh my god, that's a wonderful green. Exactly my favourite kind of green. I need to change my watch. My strap is doing weird things in the light. I'll wear a different one next time. Okay, we've got this deep rusty red colour. Wow. A grey. Oh, that is smooth and soft and delightful. A navy. And then finally this teal blue, I guess you'd call it. Okay. Beautiful, lovely array of mattes. When it comes to the shimmers, Kryptein have got one of the best shimmer formulas out there. You're looking at pink in the monitor. I can see green from where I am. It's just... oh, wow, isn't that just beautiful? My goodness. Yeah, it's kind of thick, so I either use my finger... oh my god, that's shiny as... or one of those weird little... hold on, I'll get one. Yeah, one of these weird little silicone applicators. This came from Amazon. So just using that same shade, just dip it in. You can see it picks up the product absolutely brilliantly. And you're not getting your fingers mucky. Cool, right? And they're cheap as chips. It was about £3 in English money. And obviously a lot cleaner to use than brushes as well, because you can just wipe them off with a tissue or a makeup wipe or whatever, and you're ready to go again for your next application. I can't speak highly enough of these things, and for this type of shimmer formula, they're perfect. So let's try this one. Oh, whoa. Do you see that going to green to gold? That is super pretty. And this looks like it's going to be a pink green. Oh, you can swatch them for days, honestly. That is beautiful. I don't personally have any need for a glitter glue when I'm using Kryptein shadows. They just adhere beautifully to your eyelids and stay there. If you suffer from creasing, then you might want to use a glitter glue. That colour, oh my god. That is absolutely, I'm speechless. It's so beautiful. And then This, oh, wow, that is blue silver. Look how nice. Oh my God. Look at my fingers. Okay, then we've got this purple down here, which looks like it's got pink flecks. Oh wow, look at that. It's purple, but it's also a blue with like confetti in it. Oh my goodness. And then this deep over here. Let's put that there. Okay, so that's got holographic particles in it, I feel. This one, by the way, sorry. That is so lovely. This, what a beautiful shade for your outer corner over a deep matte such as this navy. Wow, what a beautiful palette. Okay, I don't know what my favourite palette from Kryptein is. I have loved all of them. I know which one is my least favourite, but this is way up there in the stakes for most beautiful and versatile of their palettes. There's a lot more shades in here than there normally is. I think they're usually 12 pans. Let me just check. Yeah, here you see their normal format. You've got a 12-pan palette, and this is Secret Garden 1. But here we've got 4, 8, 12, 16. So, you know, just a few extra. And yeah, I love this. Okay, I will leave you with that view. I'll give you a report on how I find these, but I can tell you for sure that they're going to be amazing because they always are. They're very consistent. I have never had a bad shade, not a matte nor a shimmer from Kryptein. I think my favourite standout shade is probably this. Oh my goodness. That is a wonderful pink, green, gold. It's so gorgeous. Okay, I will call that the end of this video, and I will see you soon for the next one. Take care and stay safe, everybody.